Dua Lipa, born 1995, Grammy-winning British pop star, known for hits like Levitating and New Rules. Chiranjeevi, born 1955, legendary Indian actor, superstar and politician with massive influence in Telugu cinema. Kristen Wiig, born 1973, acclaimed comedy actress, Saturday Night Live alumna and co-writer star of Bridesmaids. Ty Burrell, born 1967, Emmy-winning actor, best known for playing Phil Dunphy on Modern Family. James Corden, born 1978, British actor, comedian and former host of The Late Late Show. Tori Amos, born 1963, influential American singer, songwriter and pianist. Howie Dorough, born 1973, pop singer and member of the Backstreet Boys. Jay and Jimmy Uso, born 1985, twin professional wrestlers and multi-time tag team champions in the WWE. Paul Molitor, born 1956, Baseball Hall of Famer and former MLB manager. Claude Debussy, born 1862, legendary French composer who revolutionized modern classical music. Ray Bradbury, born 1920, iconic American sci-fi author of Fahrenheit 451 and The Martian Chronicles. Dorothy Parker, born 1893, celebrated American poet, writer and satirist known for her sharp wit. Denis Papin, born 1647, French physicist and inventor of the steam piston engine and pressure cooker. Thank you for watching this video.